Can you guess what I'm going to be for Halloween this year? So today I'm going to do my DIY honey pot for my costume, so stay tuned. The supplies you'll need is a clay pot, a pencil, some paintbrushes, a Sharpie, preferably black, and some paint, yellow paint preferably. Alright, we've got our supplies. Let's get started. So I'm going to open up this clay pot that I got from Amazon. I'll leave that link down below. And as you can see, it's got a few little scuffs on it, but that's okay. I don't mind those because it's just a little Halloween costume prop. So I'm going to get started by tracing the outline of what I want or how I want the pot to go for the honey to be dripping off of the pot. So I'm just going to do that all the way around the pot to make sure that I'm just staying on line when I'm ready to paint it. Those are just a few drip drops. And so I'm just going to do that all the way around the pot. Now that that is done, I'm just going to write the words that I want on the pot. It's going to spell HUNNY, which is the word honey spelled oddly, but that's okay. Just to make it fun and kooky for Halloween. So right here, I'm just going to go over the word honey with my black Sharpie just to bring out the letters more and make it pop. And none of this is perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just for a Halloween prop. And also, I think the skewness of the words and the honey will probably make it more realistic. Now, right here, I'm just going to start the painting process. It will definitely not be within the lines. So, yeah. And again, like I said, it does not have to be perfect. I think the less perfect it is, the better because it's more realistic. So I love that very much. But let's just watch the painting process.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. Higher to a bird.
So this is what the pot looks like after putting 2 coats of Dollar Tree paint on the top for the honey drip, and it is still not as thick as I wanted it to look. It's not as like rich as I wanted it to look, but I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the top with some yellow on it so that it looks like the honey is right on top of there. This Dollar Tree paint is not the best. It's not the most, thick type of paint. It actually looked like it was like fading away as I was painting with it. So you want to be sure that you are aware of that if you decide to use this paint. Again, this is just a Halloween prop for my costume, so I'm really not too big on it looking perfect, but this is my DIY. If you decide to try this, you might want to go with a better paint, but that is just totally up to you.
I'm rising, I'm soaring above it, it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be brave. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally.
Alrighty, guys, so I have done all that I can with this little honey pot, and it's just gonna have to look the way it's gonna look. I think, again, the more realistic it looks, the better. It just looks like it has like fingerprints on it, like somebody's been eating the honey out of the pot, maybe. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think in the comments below of my DIY honey pot. But again, this is just a Halloween prop for my costume. So that is the end of my DIY. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss all of the rest of the goodies that I have coming and in store for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and love you always. See you guys in the next video.